Welcome to day 3 of MCSD Math Week. Scan the QR code or visit the bit.ly link shown here to compete in today's daily math challenge for your grade level. Don't forget, the winning students and teacher for each day will receive a very special prize at the end of Math Week. Now sit back and enjoy today's selection of interviews about math and different careers.
Hi, my name is Megan. I'm the administrator with Evergreen Private Care. We are a local home health care agency providing care for your loved ones in the community. We employ CNAs and home health aides as well as skilled nurses, LPNs and RNs. And this is Jean Evergreen, who we utilize in our orientation process and skills in our training. We utilize math every day, whether it's a caregiver, client standpoint, all the way up to a finance administrative standpoint. We're constantly calculating our numbers, whether it's our rates and our reimbursement, our billing, payroll, PTO time, accrual, and we're always doing multiplication and division as far as weekly schedules. One example of how we utilize math every day is if we were to have a 24/7 case, that would require 168 hours a week of care needed. To avoid overtime, which is anything over 40 hours a week, we would have to have no fewer than 5 care providers on that schedule.
Hi, my name is Savannah Red. I'm the Senior Aquatics and Park Manager here at Sailfish Splash, and I use math every day. I use math every day here at Sailfish Splash. There's a lot of cash handling with our concessions and gift shop, and we also use math to calculate when our lifeguards are going to go on break. It's super important that we stay within child labor laws because we are the #1 youth employer in Martin County. We also use math every day to do pool chemistry and make sure that everything looks good in the pool and it's healthy and safe to swim in. So to calculate how much chlorine we have in our pool, take this sample. It's a little bit of chemistry as well. I'm gonna put my DPT powder in, always 2 scoops if I have it at the 10 milliliter. Once you swish it around, if you see right there, it's turning pink. That means that chlorine is present, and that's a very good thing. You always want to make sure that there's enough chlorine in your pool. To find out how much chlorine you have in your pool, six until it turns totally clear. I take 6 drops is what I put in, and I divide that by 2. That means we have 3 ppm in the pool for chlorine.
Hi, my name is Jessica Tharp. I'm the Recreation Supervisor with the City of Stuart here at the 10th Street Community Center. We use math every day, from balancing our spreadsheets to determining how many vendors fit in a space when we provide programs and events for the community, and how many kids we can accommodate in the afternoon for our after-school program. So when I was in high school at Martin County High School, go Tigers, I took a lot of math classes to prepare me to further my education to receive my bachelor's degree at Florida International University, where I got my degree in recreation sports management, where I had to take another budgeting class to make sure that I knew how to balance our books here at the City of Stuart. One of the ways we use math very well is when we just did Waterfest, where we had to determine how many vendors can fit in a small space and what the square footage was to each vendor so that we knew how many vendors we can accommodate in one day. So this year we're gearing up for our Fire and Ice 4th of July fireworks show in downtown Stuart. The biggest part that we use a lot of math for is determining how many shells can shoot up into the sky to create the fireworks and creating the right safety circumference around the barge to ensure that everyone is safe at the event. And one special thing that we have coming this year is 20 tons of snow and Santa for everyone to enjoy during this year's show.
Hi, I'm Mike Priest, Revolution Prototype and Machine, and I use math every day. So I use math every day, making all kinds of different parts. And one of the pieces, for instance, would be like this. This is made for LED lighting. So this little tiny part, but we have to do calculations to figure out what is material yield, cycle times, all kinds of different things like that, tolerances. Many of the other industries we serve, we do aerospace, we do, this is actually a race car part for a Ferrari. It was actually raced at Sebring and Daytona. High-speed video cameras. All of this stuff's made from blocks of material, solid blocks, and then we have to figure out our cycle times, our yields, so that we can plan accordingly.